Lagos, Nigeria, na still area report, and as we tell now, we dey table some landlords when we say reports don dey come to us. Now one by one, two by two, we dey do am when we say that they collect money and they need to provide service, and especially when it comes to the women when be widows or when they dey alone, single renters, they take advantage of them. We get reports of some when we say that they force the guest self, that they talk say if you not sleep with me, I no go. So make we take this one from Madam Cynthia.
Once you don't pick, we'll call that.
Oh yeah, make we call Madam Cynthia. Madam Cynthia, make we call you now. We dey call you.
We dey call you with she first side.
Na my side we dey call this one. Madam Cynthia, we don dey call you.
Don't put up a speaker.
I don put out. On
Madam Cynthia,
Madam
pick.
Speaker,
We not get time.
Okay, Ro.
You don't pick.
Madam Cynthia, you dey for
stay
speaker. Stay on the line. We dey with you for
call your
Wazobia.
landlord.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, my sister. God bless you.
No worry, Wazobia dey hear you. We dey hear you.
Madam, calm down.
Off your radio.
Off your radio, madam.
Off
You dey
radio.
house
No
with
want
your phone.
interference.
Not disturb. Off the radio, madam.
Okay.
We don dey call the landlord. Madam Cynthia still dey online.
Hello, morning to you, sir.
Morning.
Yeah, how was the night, sir? Yes, I know say you don't know the talk. How is the family, sir? Okay, my name is Ratata of Wazobia FM, and I am here with my colleague Chief Swo of Wazobia FM too.
Oga, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Now you be Oga showroom care. I did that. You are Gafa, abi?
Yes, ma'am. Morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. So I beg, we get reports when we say coming, say when it come to landlord and tenant, they bring report say you be one of the landlord when we say know they do the work when they say go do, when we say go provide service for a tenant. And we know they like to carry report from one side.
Exactly.
So as one of your tenants Koko talk the matter for air, we say make we talk to you on air too.
We'll go call her back.
We go call her back. You know, say for this matter where we dey do, we dey always dey work get on two sides, so that if he balance. But my people, as una dey listen, make una dey judge am for una sef.
More your believe say
More
no,
what believe
maybe
say
now
na
he
network.
cut. Maybe he just cut. More call her back. Okay,
Sorry,
don't
I was trying to put it on speaker.
Better, thank you, sir.
So Oga
I'm just
Jaffa.
trying- Yes.
Okay, so quick one. Abeg, wetin be your thoughts when be say your ten ant dey come tell us now? Everybody now dey listen now say he pay 80,000 for service charge, he pay him rent, and you cut the water, you cut the light, you put your generator for where be say he come dey give am chest problem and all those kind thing. And already you don already dey pursue am comot for house when you
Now
no
what
stay
did she
reach.
if I make she say hello to you,
Hello,
madam, I beg greet your landlord.
Madam, greet your landlord.
Okay.
Greet your landlord.
Tell her say good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay, Gafa. Well done. This is Cynthia.
Okay.
So Oga Gafa, you don't hear Madam Cynthia voice, abi?
I can hear her. Good
So
morning.
what be the problem? More hear from
What
what
be
be
the
the problem when you get with Madam Cynthia?
Well, it's very a funny thing anyway,
Yeah.
because I overheard one of my neighbors told me like a week ago that they heard of a name in Wasobia, and I was like, oh, are you serious?
Okay.
It's very, very funny because
Okay.
this woman came to me
Yeah.
last year around, I can't really remember the time. I
Okay.
think it was around January,
Okay.
close to January last year, and she and her son.
Okay.
And our security guard helped them in and told them that they should wait for me
Yeah.
because they know me in the estate, a
Yeah.
cool person going easy.
Okay.
So they came to me on a fateful night, and then they are like, they needed a house, they needed it like now. They
Yeah.
are stranded outside there and blah, blah, blah. And I look at the son and I look at myself. I saw myself in your son.
Okay.
I said, we are not using the BQ anyway, but my wife told me that we are not to collect couples or two persons in the BQ. I said, the BQ is very small.
Okay.
I said, but I will do this one for you because of the way I'm seeing you guys
Yeah.
and of the way I see your boy is grown up.
Okay.
And then I told them I'm not going to collect any charges, any other charges from you, like tenancy agreement or anything. That this house, just take it, 200,000.
Okay.
Give me 60,000 for NEPA bill,
Yeah.
and pay 20,000 for utilities in the estate because we
Okay.
pay estate dues, and
Yeah.
that's 280.
Yeah.
Then subsequently, few months after,
Yeah.
this woman called me to come and do her door.
Yeah.
I told her, Madam, this place that you are taking, I've done a net in there already. You don't really need any door. But if it feels that the inner door is not closing well, call a carpenter. Let the carpenter come. If the carpenter come, talk to the carpenter to change the key of the door for you. I will pay.
Okay.
So subsequently, the carpenter came, and then they called me on a faithful day, and I went out. And then getting to the carpenter gave me a bill of almost 80,000. And I asked the carpenter, "What are you going to do?"
Yeah.
The carpenter said, "Madam says she should change. He should change all the doors, the frame of the doors and all the doors." And I now look at that and I said, "Madam, is that what we agreed on? The first time you are packing to this house, I never consent doing anything for you. The house is okay. I asked you to check it. You said it's okay. And you people came in like, oh, you need the house, you need it." And I asked you before you packed in. And I told the woman, I said, "This is not what I agreed with you."
Sorry,
Said,
sorry, Mr. Landlord. Madam, you there with your Landlord they talk?
My brother.
Wait, madam,
You dey hear am, yes or no?
Is it correct,
Because we no
yes
get
or
am.
no?
He correct or
Yes
he not
or no?
correct?
It's not correct at all. It's not correct.
Okay.
That the security even called the carpenter for me. Said the door is halfway. Up till now, I don't put in cheese for the net. Use and the manage. Up till that time, there is hole for the house. Now me cement and now me call bricklayer. Buy sand, buy cement. Cement the block the hole. I get the exact sample for her side.
She send us a picture and videos for the house when you dey talk of, sir. So for when she dey talk, it be like say
when she packed in first, I'm sorry to cut
no,
you.
they talk, they go, sir.
When she packed in first, my cousins that was using the place before was using AC. He used a split AC. So there is a hole that they passed in through the wall for the split AC. So that's the hole she's talking about. So I don't know.
Madam, is that the hole you're talking about? Now the hole be that.
Not waiting. I blocked that one, both inside too. Inside the hole, I get many things when I do for inside. All the agreements we waiting say you go do for the house, you not do them. You just collect money. The wife said they won't use the money when I pay. Do something. They not go use that fees the house.
Okay, madam, pause first. Oga, question to you.
Yes,
I know say you say out of the goodness of your heart, now you take give the woman the house. But she pay rent. She pay rent for the house.
Of course, she did.
She pay full rent for the house. She pay full rent for the house.
No, not full rent. I didn't collect any agreement, any damages.
No, Oga, that one aside.
She
paid the full rent,
basic
the rent,
rent.
not
She
the
paid
damages
the
and
basic
agreement.
rent.
She paid the basic rent.
The rent for the house is 250.
She pay
100,000 from her.
Now 250 or 200 you pay, madam.
Yeah, he told me the rent of the house is 200. Service charge is 80,000. Said they're going to be only big gen. Since when I enter, no gen.
How much you pay,
How
madam?
much you pay? How much you pay?
When you
How
enter?
much you pay?
Every total thing when I pay 280.
Okay.
280,000. I spent 60,000 to repair the place. So the old one I repair.
Okay.
I get the
Oh yeah, pause, madam, pause first, madam, pause. Oga, question
Yes,
to you
ma'am.
now. Question
Yes.
to you.
Yes,
Because she don't send us the picture because she dey send us picture. She don't send us picture for the for the money when she pay for the 280 when she pay and the rent when she pay.
Okay, madam, fast and quickly and tell us the things when you say, Oga, your landlord do when you not like sharply then so that you go talk and make it a year. Then we will go ask him. Fast, let's go.
As I pay for the house finish, I ask for the receipt. This man say won't sleep with me before he go give me receipt when I pay for.
Wait, talk him again. You say what?
I ask him for receipt for the house. He say he want to sleep with me before he go give me receipt.
He tell you face to face.
So yes, face to face. So I now went to go and tell my son. I tell some other people. I call some other people. There. So there's one day when I carry water for head, bucket of water for head. I still tell him about the door. This man will come close to my chest. That very day I go anoint. I just
Hold on,
Oh, yeah,
sorry,
pen,
no verse.
pen.
Oga landlord, you don't hear what
Yes,
she talk.
sir.
And she talk her with her mouth.
The honest thing is, I'm not a landlord. I'm just someone like you.
Okay,
I'm
no
just
problem.
Oga, no, but
Okay,
that's not
sir.
the issue,
Wait,
28
sir.
years old.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem.
You
So,
understand? This woman is an elderly person,
I know.
and she lies a lot.
okay, so what did she talk now?
How
Is
will
she
I-
is she
Not true or
correct?
not lie?
Yes or no, sir?
It's not lie.
Okay.
How will I? You want
Yeah.
to collect the receipt that you paid for, then I will not ask you that I want to sleep with you, and I have my wife, I have 2 kids in my house, and you are living in my PQ. How would that possible?
Oga, you give her the receipt.
She never asked me for receipt.
Okay.
Oga, your tenants when they pay for their rent,
Yeah.
they ask, they never
They don't need to
collect their-
ask you for receipt.
They
Madam,
never collect their receipt, and you
Before
never give them.
anything, after that issue that we have, that she said she come and pay 80-something thousand naira for a carpenter, and we have that issue. You know, before I knew it, the next month, this man carried me to Panti.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been to Panti, I've been to Zone 2, I've been to Alagbon because of this case, and I'm very shocked that I'm here again because I have to raise my voice. I've called all my neighbors in the estate so that they can tune to Wazobia FM and they can bear me a witness.
Okay.
Is it a crime helping a human being in Nigeria?
Okay, sir.
Oga,
Hold on, sir.
Oga,
Hold on, sir.
pen
So,
for there.
okay, the way it is now, sir. From your own angle, what is the problem?
What be the
Go
problem,
now.
yo?
Now the issue is this woman came to my house and want to come and be controlling my house.
That's the problem, right?
That's the issue.
Okay,
And
now.
I said that, this is not how we do it here.
Oga,
You
wait
can't come
now.
here and be controlling people.
Oga, wait,
don't hear,
Oga, wait.
Oga.
You offer water or you not offer water?
I never hop our water.
Okay,
This
we
woman
don't
is
hear.
using
Wait
my
now,
water,
bros,
my
wait now.
generator
Bros,
for over 1
wait
year.
now. Bros, wait.
Our rent has expired since January 20th. She's still in the house.
Oga, according
This
to
is-
Lagos
this is
law,
our life.
Oga,
We should be in the
Oga,
house till now.
Oga, according to Lagos law, yes. If you be tenant for a year, the law when Lagos landlord and tenancy get now say na 6 months they get. And
Madam,
na
God
fact.
bless you, ma. God bless you, ma. But you know what?
No.
I've given that quick note before our rent expires because
Oga,
of
it
the
no
way she's doing.
matter. Oga, it no matter.
No.
The law na the law.
Now the law, whether or not. now
Until that
6
person
months.
rent expire and he gets
Okay,
6
fine.
months.
Then
Oga, wait, oh, Oga, wait. I get question. Oga,
Till
wait.
June so that she can pack out of my house.
Oga, wait
I
first
should
now.
take my matter to Wazobia. What have I
Oga,
done?
wait now. Oga, wait. You say you not off our water, but we dey
I
see.
never off
Wait
our
now.
water.
Wait
Wait
now, but
now.
we dey
If
see
you have
videos.
a weakness, please. I'm
Oga, we dey
waiting.
see the
Because
videos
that
now.
is
Water
over
no
there.
dey.
If you have a weakness, please come this morning now.
Okay.
This morning,
Oga, you cut her light or you no cut her light?
she's using my generator.
Okay, hold on. Madam, will they
Madam,
cut your
so
light?
you-
I mean, they not cut your light.
Hello?
Yep.
He cut the light to them say when we dey complain that day my son was very annoyed. This man carry bets. He want to flog me and my son. This man carry bets. Want to flog me and my son.
Okay, no
Just
problem.
because
Okay,
one
thank you.
man
Oh
don't
yeah,
like.
okay, madam, wait. Okay, una
Okay.
two wait.
Let-
Mona wait,
Oga, wait.
Mona wait.
Okay, now you say the problem is that you say the madam won't control you, Abi. Fine, that's the problem. Madam,
Madam,
Yes, sir.
what is the problem
Yes,
from
sir.
your own angle now? What is the problem now?
The problem now that the man with the wife they are rich up some. The same the man went to somebody apartment go park in property.
No, we not want to
we
know
don't
what
want those stories.
What is the problem now?
What
Now
be
with
your
this
problem?
man now,
What
yes.
be your own problem?
The whole problem now that the way the man they treat me and my son, I'm not like I feel cheated.
Okay,
Make the
thank
man
you.
go
He don't
go-
give you
yeah.
quick
Yes.
notice.
Dog give you quick notice.
He don't give me quick notice, so.
Okay, you don't give her quick notice.
You
Okay.
see, those are the lies I'm talking about. She goes around and lies.
Okay,
Oga,
Oga,
wait
hold
now.
on.
Oga, wait.
Oga.
Madam, wait. Oga,
June.
wait. Oga, wait.
Okay. When is her rent due?
I let her due since January 20th, and she's
Okay.
staying in my house.
Hold on, wait. Have you given her quick notice?
I've given her quick notice since last year June.
Since last year June?
Yes, and I keep repeating to her that she needs to meet. She needs to move out
Oga,
when our rent expires. I didn't
Okay,
give her
hold on.
quick notice to move out.
Oga,
Hold on.
Oga, wait first now.
Sure.
The fact that you dey talk this talk and you still dey stand on them, I'm not sure whether you be landlord wey understand how landlord laws dey work for Lagos. If person pay, it no matter whether you no want or not, unless you return the person money back. Now then you fit tell say I don't give quick notice.
Madam, we went
Oga,
to
wait
Panti. I
now.
told her
Oga,
to come
wait
and collect
now.
her money. She refused.
Oga, wait.
Oga, wait.
Oga, wait.
You don't know anything about this case, so let me explain to you. You should ask me.
Oga,
Let
wait
me
now.
tell you my own
Now
side of the
progress,
story.
now progress, all of us dey
Ask me
fine.
question.
Oga, na progress all of us dey fine. Madam Cynthia and Oga Jaffa.
Yes.
our time don dey finish for area report.
We not know the lie. This one says
wetin go happen for una too? At least we know the ones wey be say dey bring the videos and the pictures. Oga come say na people. Madam come say na picture and video na e carry come. So wetin una two go do for us? We go dey monitor una situation.
Yes, we go still get back to.
We go still get. We go dey follow because we are personally vested now. Now our Aproko life be this. So Oga Jaffa, this woman, her rent according to you don expire since January, abi?
Yes.
Okay. So according to the law, now June she's supposed to pack out. She?
No problem. I'm doing that in June. So why she carry my matter to Wazobia?
Bros, make her now. No verse.
And they affect you. This is
no
police settled it. And
Oga, no verse.
Oga,
no verse. Relax.
The matter said document settled.
It does settle.
Madam, when it is June, pack them up for the compound.
When June reach, pack them up until then.
It's not me that I want to sleep with her. A good young man.
Oga, calm down.
God of heaven will judge you.
By June,
I'm the minister in LCTG. God of heaven will judge me this morning.
Oga, by June. We want agreement between us two.
We judge me.
Oga, wait.
We judge me and we judge her.
Oga,
Madam, June, you go pack them up for that.
June, you go pack, yes or no?
Prepare yourself.
Okay.
You don't settle.
Simple.
You don't settle.
You
go pack. Forget, madam. Forget service charges. So you go pack. Yes or no?
No, say yes or no. She go pack. Finish now.
Oga, Gafa. She go pack. Before the June go reach, Oga wait now. Oga wait.
I have no business with her.
Oga wait now.
I've been a true Nigerian.
Oga wait. Don't worry.
My own generator without fueling my gen. Without buying anything, without paying my debt for over 1 year,
she will leave your house in June.
You just want to talk, you want to talk with report.
She will leave your house in June.
Until the time go finish, when we say June go
make everybody stay in lane.
Make everybody stay in lane. Una agree?
They go must agree now. They not get just that. Okay, you go stay your own.
Who's supposed to provide water? Provide water.
Who's supposed to provide light for the next how many months in June?
If you
carry fish, we not want to know.
We not want to know.
The thing be say by June.
Make it be say madam go come out by June.
As a landlord, you go.
The reason why I carried my pumping machine inside.
No, we don't want to know.
No, explain. You don't need to explain again.
And on the pumping machine switch, and she has bought 3 pumping machines within a year.
No problem.
And I didn't ask her for penny.
No worry.
I'm still talking about carrying the pumping machine switch inside.
Thank you so much, Oga. We'll get back with you.
We'll get back to
Madam Cynthia, you don't hear by June, you go pack them up for the house. Oga landlord, she go pack by June. So, but before then, Oga, make everybody stay at peace. Not give her problem. Make everybody not give anybody problem.
We go still put her mouth.
Thank you, Oga. God keep you so much. Madam Cynthia,
thank you so much.
All right,
without do what feed you.
My sister, thank you, my brother.
Thank you.
Bless you now. God
and
will
you
keep
too. Who they lie? No, who they lie. Who they lie? No, say now they lie. This one, by June, pack them up for the house.
Our boys got till they finish pumping machine.
I don't even know, sir, because I'm not there. I'll be saying, make she pack by June. Normal, at the way the law be finished.
See, all I know now say, as soon as they bring this report, they come. Una don't hear this from my own. The ones where they bring your own, they call for landlords and tenants where we say they must form. Not take another person because they not get man for a corner as advantage. Because the truth now say, all of us, we get brother and sister. All of us go be landlord or tenant for somewhere. And the way you take treat another person, and so they go take treat your own, whether you like them or not. So if you want to use your conscience, you stay live. Bah. If you don't want to use your conscience,
well, not the lie. The man says a minister. I say he cannot do it. He say it's a young man. Cannot sleep with the old woman.
Not today.
The woman says she.
I go call you where be say one boy marry a woman when say na 40 years he own self. I beg you.
We did the first. Now we don't know the lie. That's what I'm saying.
We don't know the lie.
By you make she supposed pack. Make
she
just
pack.
As simple as that.